listening, man. Okay. How to make the sticky rice Vietnamese style. Vietnamese. First of all, you get the sweet rice from Vietnam, homegrown, national, support the country. Yeah. Okay. Now, how to make sticky rice? Beware, this is before the sticky rice. Okay. Handling the rice, the sweet rice is best when wet. It's gonna stick. Sticky rice gonna stick to the pan. Okay. Soak the rice for 24 hours. Like one day you soak the rice in the water to have softer texture. Yeah. Unlike your failure, you drain the water out of him. Like same way you drain the tears out of failure. Okay. Then he put plate so it don't crack like tuna. Don't crack like the skin of tuna. You know tuna. Don't crack like that. Cover rice for in the rice cooker 30 to 45 minutes. You can, if big bag of rice, you can put 2 batches. Wait 1 hour like some failure, but I put the full batch in one time because I can, physics don't apply to me. After that, you take it out, okay, and after you take it out, serve nicely. Put on a nice plate. Yes. Unlike failure, make him look good so you can eat good. Eat good with family. You make money, you make wife, you make kids. Good life, good sticky rice. Thank you for watching.